In a huge development possibly from Bengal today, senior BJP leader Mukul Roy likely to return to his former party, that of the Trinamool Congress. Mukul Roy could go for a ghar wapsi, so to say, to the Trinamool Congress. Expected to meet Mamata Banerjee today at the Trinamool Congress office in Kolkata at 3 p.m. Mukul Roy has reportedly been miffed with the BJP leadership for having been sidelined after the entry of Suvendu Adhikari in the party. Mukul Roy, remember, had been a close aide of Mamata Banerjee earlier, but he left the Trinamool Congress in September 2017 after he had a fallout with her. That reportedly over the rise of her nephew Abhishek Banerjee in the party. 2 months later, Mukul Roy was seen joining the BJP and instrumental in making several TMC loyalists also jump the ship from TMC to BJP. So let's go now directly to Bengal. I'm now joined by Suryagini Roy reporting from Kolkata. Suryagini, it's very interesting what is happening, that after elections and of course the party winning the elections is going to have some of the former loyalists return. But how is it really planning out as the meetings taken place earlier? Because it seems like a surprise move.
Well, Pooja, if you just look back at the past 10 days, massive political developments had happened over here in West Bengal. An array of mid-level leaders who had joined the BJP just before the 2021 elections from the Trinamool Congress. A lot of them elected representatives, former MPs, former deputy speakers. These people had desired to, go back to their former party. However, none of them were officially being called back or being accepted. But speculations are extremely rife that Mukul Roy, he is willing to go back to his former party. These speculations are doing the rounds ever since the fact that on the day when the assembly session started, the MLAs came in to take oaths in assembly. That is the day when Mukul Roy arrived. He took his oath and he left. And there were speculations. The reason the speculation started was because Mukul Roy did not, being an elected MLA, he did not participate in the BJP's legislative assemblies committees meet where Dilip Ghosh was present.
আমি তৃণমূল ভবন যাচ্ছি চলো मुकुल रॉय ने कह दिया है वो तृणमूल भवन जा रहे हैं। बड़ी खबर इस वक्त आज तक पे आप देख सकते हैं। नवजोत मुकुल रॉय जो तृणमूल के दिग्गज नेता हुआ करते थे, बीजेपी में गए 2017 में, और आज मुकुल दा फिर से यहाँ पे मुकुल रॉय फिर से अब जा रहे हैं तृणमूल भवन।
Close on your screen right now, live visuals of ghar wapsi, so to say, of the Trinamool Congress Neta, formerly with the Trinamool Congress, turning to BJP, again trying to get back into the TMC. So, of course, not only jumping ship, but returning to the ship. What does he have to say?
মুকুলদা তৃণমূলে যোগ দিচ্ছেন। ছেড়ে দাও হয়ে গেছে। মুকুলদা তৃণমূলে যোগ দিচ্ছেন। মুকুলদা বললো তো কি বললো তৃণমূলে যাচ্ছি। ছেড়ে দাও মুকুলদা তৃণমূলে যোগ দিচ্ছেন। ছেড়ে দাও জানি তো বললো তো দাদা। আপনারা সামনে যান। ছেড়ে দাও ভাই, এবার ছেড়ে দাও। আরে দাদা বললো তো ছেড়ে দাও এবার। বাস মুকুলদা উঠে যান। ছাড়ো কিছু রেকর্ড হয়। ছোটুদা গাড়িতে।
So that is Mukul Roy from the TMC into the BJP, now possibly into the Trinamool Congress again. Suryagini Roy joining us now again from Kolkata. What I find it interesting here is the ease with which Mukul Roy, who was such a close aide of Mamata Banerjee, then came over to the BJP and was welcomed by senior leadership, including Home Minister Amit Shah, then deciding to now again go back to Mamata Banerjee's party. And of course, he is a name who was very close to the Chief Minister and therefore perhaps privy to a lot of assets and information. So Suryagini, tell us this. Is it really of significance that Mukul Roy now going back to the TMC would be welcomed, because his issue was with Abhishek Banerjee? That has to be resolved as well and will have to be elevated to the position that he was earlier.
Well, Mukul Roy has just confirmed that he is coming to the Trinamool Bhavan, and we are over here at the Trinamool Bhavan. In a short while from now, he stays almost around 30-35 minutes away from this particular place. Now, it will be interesting to see if, he joins formally today or not, or whether his son joins today. But he has confirmed that he is heading towards Trinamool Bhavan, and in a short while from now, Mukul Roy will be here. What is what is more interesting is that if Mukul Roy joins today, which is going to happen, that is something we are, we are getting. Will Mamata Banerjee be inducting him back? Will it be Mamata Banerjee getting her, man number 2, second most important, one-time second most important man in Trinamool Congress? Will she be re-inducting him, or will it be done by Abhishek Banerjee or some senior leadership? If Mamata Banerjee, if she comes over here and she re-inducts Mukul Roy, that will send a clear, strong message to the leadership, to the entire political party and to the BJP that all is well between these two, which was apparently not in from 2017 to 2020. Back to you, Pooja.
So the Bharatiya Janata Party not just winning other parties' loyalists, but also losing some of them, and also this time having a former loyalist of the Trinamool Congress returning to his home party. So what we are trying to understand today with this return of Mukul Roy to the Trinamool Congress, is this an asset or perhaps not as much a concern really? So let's take a look now of what exactly is the reason with Mukul Roy. And does it matter for the Trinamool Congress? His strength, of course, huge political clout and acumen, not only experience, but he was a close aide of Mamata Banerjee. But the weakness is he's accused in Narda and Sharda scam, and that was one of the reasons that he had decided to quit and join the BJP. But he knows inside out of Bengal politics, and perhaps that remains his asset both for the BJP and now again with the Trinamool Congress. The weakness, ambitions of being the chief minister, and that clearly isn't happening anytime soon. Will he be content being a close aide of the chief minister? Strength, worked closely with top leadership of BJP and TMC, both parties now. But the weakness, opportunistic tag for switching sides. But considering with so many people turning opportunistic in politics, is he any different? Strength, renowned as the backroom political strategist, but the weakness, no history of individual electoral success. So again, that perhaps is the weakness that will come to play out. And with Suvendu Adhikari joining the BJP, perhaps the TMC will want to have Mukul Roy back into the fold. Now an inside track of the Ghar Wapsi of Mukul Roy. In the last week, remember, there have been different meetings taking place. We now have all the inside details. Mukul Roy has spoken to Didi over 4 times over phone. One emissary, a non-Trinamool Congress man, was there as well. Both sides were keen before elections, but there was some problem that he had with Dilip Ghosh first of the BJP. After joining, Mukul Roy did not get a room in the party office. And then with Suvendu Adhikari's arrival, it turned even more bitter. In fact, at a Victoria Memorial event, that is where perhaps the ice was broken and Mamata Banerjee had walked up and had a conversation with Mukul Roy. So these are some of the inside details that have come of what precisely happened, or why Mukul Roy is today reaching the Trinamool Bhavan in Kolkata, ready to go back to his home party after having spent time of about over 2 years in the Bharatiya Janata Party. So Suryagini continues to be with us from Kolkata. Suryagini, the fact remains that he is a close aide, but of course his issues of ambition and perhaps a elevated position, that will also have to be resolved. How is this being seen locally, not only by politicians but also public? But before I come to you, I just want to take our viewers again to the inside story, the main points that could have led to him leaving the BJP, and that is of course not being given the perhaps positions that he was expecting, and also importantly not getting a position in the party office, and then Suvendu Adhikari joining. Suryagini is now back with us. Has he reached the Trinamool Bhavan, Suryagini, and what are we expecting now? Because importantly, we can see a heavy police deployment. We can see the supporters of Mukul Roy already crowding around him. Does the local politics in Bengal and the public see Mukul Roy as a big name, happy to have him back into the Trinamool Congress?
Well, Pooja, you know, there's another breaking today. Today, in Nobanno, the state secretariat was closed due to sanitization. But what we have, live visuals from Mamata Banerjee's residence. The convoy of Mamata Banerjee has just left, and what we do understand is she is heading towards Trinamool Bhavan, the same place where Mukul Roy has confirmed that he is heading as well. So that clearly indicates that Mamata Banerjee is all set to re-induct her former close aide Mukul Roy by herself. That is a huge, huge indication, not to only to the BJP but also to her party, that, when Mamata Banerjee re-inducts an individual, you don't get to see that on a daily basis. When Mamata Banerjee re-inducts a former colleague or a former, leader, or re-inducts anyone, that individual's importance is of immense magnitude in the political party, in Trinamool Congress as per se, because you will see a lot of leaders joining Trinamool Congress, but you will not get to see Mamata Banerjee inducting an individual or a leader, and she is going to induct Mukul Roy in a short while from now. Mukul Roy has confirmed that he is coming towards Trinamool Bhavan. He stays almost 30-35 minutes away from this place. Mamata Banerjee has left her residence. So in a while from now, we are going to witness one very, very important aspect in West Bengal's political history,
yes,
wherein Mukul Roy might be re-inducted by the state's chief minister and supremo of Trinamool Congress, her former aide, Mamata Banerjee. Back to you, Pooja.
Suryagini, keep tracking updates on when he arrives, and clearly at this point, the BJP has lost one of the leaders they had managed to get from the Trinamool Congress, a senior face, but he has decided to return to the Trinamool Congress primarily because he felt sidelined in the BJP, and he feels that his home party and the chief minister that he was so close to will want to welcome him back, and it seems he has got the approval of Mamata Banerjee because he's en route Trinamool Bhavan, and Suryagini Roy continues to track all the latest. And what he said was a brief statement confirming his change. Listen in to what he had to say.
আমাকে যেতে দাও ভাই, আমি তো আমি তো দরজায় দাঁড়িয়ে আছি। আমি তৃণমূল ভবন যাচ্ছি, চলো।
So just a brief confirmation there, but significant that I am heading to the Trinamool Congress Bhavan. Suryagini, just take us through his experience and perhaps the manner in which he had shifted, but what is even more important of how the BJP chose to let him go and could not keep him while they were getting other netas of the Congress just a few days ago and even yesterday, but they could not keep Mukul Roy for long in the party. Mukul Roy appears to have gotten approval from Trinamool Congress to head back, and especially after the Trinamool Congress has won the elections. Mukul Roy, this time again jumping the ship, or is it called the Ghar Wapsi for Mukul Roy? He's always been seen as a close aide, even when he would arrive in Delhi, that he would be always accompanying Mamata Banerjee, and it was a surprise when he joined the BJP, but he's back into the TMC. We'll continue to track all the details here. The next big story clearly that Mukul Roy leaving the BJP, joining the Trinamool Congress anytime soon.